好 ，Let's look at the 5 words for today. 我们看今天的5个词。第一个，跟。好 ，This is a new radical on the left, means foot. Now let's write the part on the right. You have seen this character in a character we learned in the past. Do you still remember this character? 很 very. Okay? Actually, you will repeatedly see this character in other characters. 比如说 if I erase the radical on the left and change it to this radical, means metal. This whole character means silver. Okay? Now get back to the character. 跟 could be used as a preposition. 比如说我跟王鹏看电影 I watch a movie with 王鹏 So 跟 could also be replaced with another preposition 和我和王鹏看电影 I watch a movie with 王鹏 So the two can be used interchangeably. Now let's look at the second character. 我们现在看看第二个词说 You know this radical, speech. Now, the one on the right. Okay. 说 means to speak. 比如说 for example, we can say 说中文说英文说法文说日文我跟王鹏说中文 I speak Chinese with 王鹏我跟王鹏说英文 I speak English with 王鹏好像我们看下一个词 Next回来 You have 2 boxes and you put them together. Remember, you only need to close the box after you put the box inside. Okay, now this is a little longer. I'm going to erase this. We saw this character a long time ago when we first introduced radicals. So the one at the outer part is known as an enclosure. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. 来 means to come. 来 So 回 means to return. 来 means to come. 回来 together means you return from a place to be closer to the speaker. Okay, now we will move to the next. 下面一个词好中 means middle. Like in 中国 China, the country in the middle. In the past, people used to think China is in the middle of the world. But that's what's the past. Okay. 好，下面一个文 文 language, especially written language. So 中文 Chinese language, 英文 English language, 日文 Japanese language, 法文 French language. (好，最后一个词见 We learned this character a long time ago in 再见 Bye bye 明天见 See you tomorrow 星期五见 See you Friday The second character 面面 has multiple meanings. Could mean someone's face, could mean noodles. 比如说 I mentioned instant noodles. In Chinese, it's 方便面. Basically, literally, it means convenient noodles. Okay. So 见面 means you meet someone face to face. Okay, I will erase this a little. 好，见面。Now, 我和王鹏见面。I meet with Wang Peng. Okay. So you have to pay attention here when you try to say you meet someone in Chinese. You have to add this preposition 我和 I and Wang Peng, the person you meet, and you put 见面 at the very end of the sentence. Okay, so 我和王鹏见面。